crazy thing about Minnesota this time of year, certain times of the year, you gotta watch out because you might get an arrow through the face. Just stay on the trails. Luckily it's not today, like there's no hunting going on today, but you've got to be careful when it's deer hunting season, like wear bright clothes. Woo, duck. White rack. Oh, nice. Whoa, slippy sand. Oh, it'd be cool to go across that. You've got all this lovely paved, miles of paved track, then you've got like little cut-off trails like this, which you can just shred the absolute dung out of. So beautiful right here. Whoa, slippy sand. By the side of the embankment today. Not good. Oh. And then you just rejoin the trail after those wee cut-offs. So much fun. Oh, here's another one. We'll do this one too. On the other parts, there's a lot of lays, is making it greasy. Just kind of very relaxing for a little while and just enjoy the scenery, you know. You don't have to really contemplate that much in regards to obstacles and all right, let's get back on the bike. Huh? All right, here the trail starts. Let's rip this up. It's a bit tacky around here. Some sharp corners and stuff. Plus you also got to watch out for walkers. This is the next squeeze. Oh, we should go that. Duck. Nice tree formations. You got to weave your way in and out of here. It's drying the leaves out and stuff here a wee bit. It's becoming a wee bit drier. It's not as greasy anymore. Oh, bunny hop over that log. there's a slight risk you could end up in the river. Look, it's not high risk or anything by any means. Oh, this looks like fun. Oh. The north side here, and then on the south side you got like Shakopee. So the south side's kind of scenic. You can do like a little scenic cycle, you know, there's a lot of little paths, or you can go along the path there, or you can just take the trails to go on the south side here. Privilege for me, a little boy from Ireland, to and this trail before. Is this even a trail? Let's see. Been coming here years and I've never known about this little path. Let's see where it goes. Oh, cool little bridge. Cool, we'll hit that on the way back. I'm just practice my manuals here too. Nice. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. Whoa. Gotta pay attention here. That sand is slippy. Oh. No, because I know where to get down. Once I get to the end, I have to stop, like a bit of mini downhill action here. Woo! Woo! There we are at the end of the trails. That was a fun little day's riding. Very enjoyable. So this is where we started off. We crossed that bridge there, and then we went the whole way down the river there where there's another bridge. And then back, that's on the north side, and this is more on the south side here, so we went down the whole way around and back up.